How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my fifth channel here on YouTube, Outdoor, Overland, and Adventure. The other four channels are doing absolutely fantastic. Chemo 365, which is my main lifestyle channel, has about 70,000 subscribers. Reload 365, which is my gun channel, is doing great. My knife review channel, Knife Reviews 365, is also doing great. And I also have an Amazon channel called Reviews Right Now. Links in the description below if you want to check it out. Now, I created this channel to document all of the many questions and struggles about trying to do overlanding full-time, or maybe just getting out there to do it part-time. So what you're going to get on this channel is a lot of gear reviews, a lot of tips and tricks for places I've been that maybe you want to go to, and a lot of fun. Let's have a look at where I've been over the past couple of years. So a big thank you to all of my current subscribers that have come from my other channels to here, and a big welcome, come on in to my new current subscribers. Tally ho, let's go.